Hello, it's me, Kane. Welcome to my channel. Every day you hear more and more voices telling you your privacy is being leaked and sold. Have you ever thought about who actually sells your privacy? Since it's a sale, how much is it worth? I will tell you all about it. Also, you are more than welcome to leave a message in the comment area below and tell me your thoughts. Have you ever had this experience? The phone will keep pushing you overactively with promos about the brand you just finished talking about. Nearby restaurants, these behaviors will make people feel surprised. Can't help but make people think about it. How do others obtain my information and push the corresponding content to me? That's right. An invisible creature learning like a ghost and storing everything about you. These ghosts will learn about you, know you, learn any information about you, address, phone number, including every word you say. This is information leakage. I will talk about this from the following 3 aspects. You can also directly click the time dots below to jump. First, who is selling your personal privacy? Second, how much is your information worth? Third, how to avoid it. Who is selling our personal privacy? With the Netflix documentary Smart Trap getting viral, internet privacy and security issues are getting more and more attention. Shown in the documentary, in the internet industry, in a strict sense, for quite some IT giants, their users are not their customers. Instead, advertisers are their customers. For the majority of users, if you haven't spent money on the product, then you are the product to be sold by them.
The first 50 years of Silicon Valley, the industry made products, hardware, software, sold them to customers. Nice, simple business. For the last 10 years, the biggest companies in Silicon Valley have been in the business of selling their users.
Almost all of them are selling user information. As long as you are using the software and products developed by their company, there is always the risk of information being trafficked. Since it's put for sale, how much is your information worth? When you feel lucky to use various free social software, as everyone knows, they are actually not free. Your personal privacy and information is what they charge. These companies will package your personal information, sell them to advertisers. Advertisers will, based on your features, preferences, track everyone, recommend different content, including commodities, activities, etc., to get the most profit. In the end, you not only bought the promoted products, at the same time, information is also being trafficked, and you actually paid for it. So, how much do you think your information is worth? Since information leakage is so terrible, how can it be avoided? Information leakage will not only cause us the risk of account loss, credit card fraud, and also put yourself in a state of being monitored anytime. So it is strongly recommended that you use a VPN to connect to the internet. The use of VPN can protect your online identity, safeguard your info in all internet activities. The VPN Proxy Master I always use can hide IP address to conceal online identity. At the same time, it also strictly abides by the privacy policy. Even if a third party requests, they won't track, collect, or share users' personal data. Click the website below to download and purchase. You can also enjoy the ultra low price of just $3.75 a month. Finally, what I want to say is, no matter how many temptations there are online, we must protect our privacy. Personal privacy and information is the last line of defense for our personal life and even our society. Make good use of VPN to safeguard this last defense. Don't show up naked in front of the world.